World Championship for professional drone racing teams. We have finally come to the Middle East. Hello Dubai, welcome everybody. We are the Drone Champions League and this is DCL's Thrills for Desert Chills. Hello Dubai, are you ready? Yes, we are so pleased to be here at the Dubai Esports and Gaming Festival at the Dubai Exhibition Centre. We have had a great time. Thank you to everybody in Dubai for being so welcoming to us. We have the best pilots in the world. They have travelled from the UK, from the US, from France, from Spain, from China and Japan to represent their teams racing in front of you now in a very special elimination series. These pilots are ready. I'm sure you're ready as well. Let's get our pilots on stage, everybody. Starting with, please welcome from Mach 1, all the way from Los Angeles, La Beba! La Beba, Leslie, so pleased to see you. Welcome, our first pilot here for the Thrills for Desert Chills. How excited are you?
Very, very excited, and thanks to the Red Bull, not too much nervous.
Thanks to some help, not too much nervous. You're going to be great. Are you excited to do this in front of all these people? We'll show them what drone racing is. I'm going to let you get ready because we want to get racing. Now, Baber, everybody, go take your seat. The first of our 8 competitors. And now we welcome to the stage the next of our competitors, also from the US, representing Quad Force 1, it's Leviathan. Levi, good to see you. Don't leave me hanging. How are you?
Great.
Feeling great. Look at this. Loads of people here at the Esports and Gaming Festival here in Dubai coming to see us. I know you I think this is your thing. On a stage in front of people.
Yeah, I love it. It's amazing. Don't get that much opportunity to do stuff like this, so.
Thank you everybody for coming to see us and more people coming through the doors now. Come on in everybody. This is Leviathan. He's ready. I know our audience are ready too. Who else is ready? Let's bring in here, representing the team Cyclone Racing, we have the Ice Cheetah! CJ, the Ice Cheetah. This is exciting, isn't it?
Oh yeah, super exciting. I'm ecstatic.
So Cyclone Racing are one of the new teams in the Drone Champions League. They joined the World Championship this year. Now you get to come to Dubai and show everybody what you can do.
Oh yeah. I'm going to show you everything I can do here.
I'm excited to see it as well. I know how good you are. Everybody, the Ice Cheetah! I'm loving the support here, Dubai. Thank you very much. Let's bring to the stage from Norway, all the way from Stavanger in Norway, we have Chugakva! Chugakva from Haven Airborne, our team new to the GCL this year as well. Out of Norway, you've come a long way for this. You ready to show everybody what you've got?
Yeah, all in. All in.
Is there a bit of a Chugakva flex coming for us as well? I know. It's just all game and all business now, right?
Definitely.
Should I let you sit down?
Definitely.
I have to do what I'm told, everybody. Okay, Chugakva, we'll go and take a seat. He's bigger than me, I just have to let him do that. Let's bring out our next pilot, one of the 2-time world champions team of Raiden Racing from Japan. Please welcome Vincent Myers! A showman like myself, Thunder FPV everybody, one of the very best pilots in the world, and 2-time world champion in the Drone Champions League with your team Raiden. It's been an incredible couple of years for you guys.
Yeah, we definitely gonna be a little bit good today. Yeah.
A little bit good is what they are. You've come all the way from Spain. Your team are getting ready for the Split 1 finals of the Drone Champions League, which will be live on the 8th of July, so please make sure you watch that online. But right here today, I guess a lot of people are thinking, I need to beat this guy. You have scored so many wins in this year so far. Are you feeling confident?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I'm too confident for this, and I can wait to race all of these guys.
Race all these guys or beat all these guys?
Beat all these guys.
I thought so. Go get ready. Vincent Myers, everybody, Raiden Racing, 2-time world champions. To our stage, representing our team from China, the China Dragons, we have clone number 1. Strut, James. Bring that strut to me. Clone number 1, everybody. Pilot from the UK, flies with China Dragons. I know you're having a great time here in Dubai.
Yep, it is fantastic. Yeah, completely different experience from the previous racing online that we've been doing.
So on a stage, in front of an audience, this is what we used to do with Rings to Raiden's Vincent Myers today.
No,
You intend to lose?
no, I really charge it.
And about all the other pilots, you guys, like, we've been having so much fun here in Dubai. It's been really good racing and seeing everybody, yeah?
Of course,
Are you just ready to do this?
for sure.
Can I get anything else from you?
No.
Oh. Sally won, everybody! Go get them, Alexander. Finally, please welcome from SDT Perpetuum Coin, our Spanish drone team, welcome Silvio! Silvio, racking up win after win after win for your team so far in 2023. Is another win happening today?
Hopefully, yeah. Let's go.
You have been having the best season, we talked about it earlier on, the best season I've ever seen you racing. Now we're having fun here on our stage with an elimination series that we're about to do. You still want to just beat everybody.
I mean, that's why we are here, but yeah.
Everyone's friends. This is available on PlayStation and on Xbox and through Steam for PC and Mac, and also here at the Dubai Esports and Gaming Festival. You can try it out on our booth, which is right next door, and get some hats and t-shirts and stuff like that as well. In today's event, we have these 4 tracks and we are racing an elimination series. So all of our pilots are going to race. We're going to do 6 laps of each track. We'll start with track number 1. They'll do 6 laps. Whichever pilot is last is eliminated. Then we will go again with the remaining 7 pilots. The pilot who is last in that race is eliminated, and so on until we get down to 2 pilots who are left. They'll race off. We'll score them with points from 8 to 1, depending on where they get to. We're going to do all of that 4 times, 4 different tracks around our location of Dubai, and a location we call Train Bando. Sally One from X-Blaze in light blue, who is leading the charge around our first track. We're on board with Vincent Myers, I think, in second place, who is chasing him around the track. So it's X-Blaze from the UK in light blue. Raiden's Vincent Myers goes from second to third and back up to second again, fighting with Silvio for second and third. That's the yellow and green drones. Leviathan is in fourth. Clone number 1. Currently in last place, it's Labeba, who you can see at the bottom right of your screen, racing for Mach 1. She's a few seconds behind. She's had a rough start. 6 laps is what we're doing here, so she's got plenty of time to catch back up again. Sally number 1, still in the lead. Silvio, Vincent Myers, Leviathan from America, then Clone number 1, the Ice Cheetah, Chagakba from Haven. Sally 1 out at the moment. Silvio, 3/4 of a second and just slightly slipping behind him, but Vincent Myers is switching places with him. Remember, the position you don't want to be is last, because you'll get eliminated, but getting the first win of the day is something all of our pilots would like to do too. Here's Silvio's view in second place as he's on lap number 4 trying to catch Sally 1. 8/10 of a second between them. Sally 1 looking like he's got a really clean first run of the day as he's getting away from Silvio by 1/10 of a second here and there. Myers still in third and has dropped a little bit further behind. For Raiden, it's still Silvio in second, 1 second between them. This is Silvio's route as he tries to catch the light blue drone of Sunny 1 from X-Blades. They chase each other through the Foxeer gate, go up and over the top of Train Bando, dive back down again. Sally 1 still in first place. 8/9 of a second now as we're on to the final lap. Is looking very confident for a first win of the day for Sally 1. Silvio trying to do something about it. Not much time left on this track. It's looking like Labeba from Mach 1 is going to come in 8th place and be the one who's eliminated. The Ice Cheetah is comfortably ahead in 7th. The first win of the day goes to Sally 1 from X-Blade. Silvio and everybody is in. Sadly, it's going to be Labeba from Mach 1 who's going to be the first to be eliminated. First race of the day, finishing the time at 2:09 and a bit from Sally 1. So really solid opening this time, 0.2 of a second. And everybody beautifully flying between the pipes here at Trail Bando and heading under the Foxeer turn. Diving around the block train gates here. We'll go up and over and corkscrew around the top there. And Silvio, less than 1/10 of a second between him and Sally 1 this time. Leviathan, Quad Force 1 currently in third, a little bit ahead of Myers, who was in third for a lot of the last race. Clone number 1 from China Dragons is the drone in orange. He's got a little bit of worry about. He's on lap number 2, heading into lap number 3, 3 seconds behind everybody else. Silvio beautifully flying over the top here and corkscrewing round the pipeline in the middle. Silvio now in the lead, 0.2 of a second above Sally. Then it's Leviathan who's half a second behind in third, so he's not part of this scrap between green and blue, between Spain and the team from the UK over the block trade banner on lap number 4. A little bit of a bump to Sally 1, but he's still flying. We corkscrew around the pipeline. Sally trying to get up on the inside of Silvio. 100th of a second between them. They move from the pipeline side by side. Sally 1 nudges just ahead of Silvio. Again, it's the light blue drone of X-Blades. In the front, 0.2 of a second has opened up between them as we go on board with Silvio. See him trying to do something about that gap. They'll corkscrew, head towards the train. Sally still just ahead of Silvio by 0.2 of a second. Club number 1. And the Ice Cheetah has slipped down the charts. Vincent Myers has gone to the back. Could we lose one of the reigning world champions on the second race of the day? He's fighting with clone number 1 in 6th and 7th place out in front. Silvio and Sally 1 trying to get the lead of this race, but Myers is now having a worse time of it. For many people, the favourite for this whole event is in 7th place with 3 seconds behind clone number 1 and half a lap to do something about it. He's going to need the other drones to crash, or we are going to eliminate one of the world champion team. Sally 1 just pipped Silvio. Leviathan's in. Chagagma's in. The Ice Drone's in. Clone number 1 is in, and Vincent Myers is eliminated in the first series and only the second race.